Officers on patrol in Lake County, Illinois, stopped a man walking in public with open alcohol. He claimed to be 18, had no ID, and gave only a verbal name. What began as a simple open container enforcement instantly shifted when officers told him he was not free to leave, turning a routine street contact into a lawful detention with far higher stakes.
What's your name?
Well, y'all shot me.
Okay, you got an ID with you, man?
No.
You got an ID with you, man? Okay, well, that's illegal, so I can arrest you for that. So you,
I ain't know that.
All right, let me get your ID then. Because that's illegal. You can't be walking around with open alcohol, man. Okay, so let me get an ID real quick. No, you do have to because that's illegal.
How? I'm 18. Just turned.
You're 18?
Yeah, just turned 18.
Legal age limit's 21 to drink.
I didn't know that.
And you had open container, so come on, man. I'm gonna see an ID right now.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, what's your name?
Josh.
Josh?
Yes, sir.
You know if you're lying to me too, that's another crime, right? Do you drive? Do you have a car?
No.
No? And you never been issued an ID or a license or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. Where are you guys coming from?
But I live around here, I can tell you that.
Charlie from 54.
Look it up. I do know my laws.
You know your laws?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
You say I pulled over for the empty container. All you do right now is give me a ticket. I threw it out.
You said that's the only thing I can do?
It's not at the curfew.
What does that mean, curfew? What are you talking about, curfew?
I'm 18, so with that being said...
Yeah, you're 18. You said you admitted to drinking alcohol.
Yeah, okay, and?
And then you're supposed to walk around with an open container and you got more alcohol. Huh?
Do you have somebody else?
No.
I just want to know, like, what's the problem?
Signal 10?
Yeah.
Can you just start the third over here?
So what's the problem?
Well, I ran your name. I'll make sure that you're good to go.
Okay, so you ran it. It's been what? How long?
My dispatch is the one that does, right? We don't. So
stop it.
I gave you your name, so unless you're lying to me, I like.
No, not my problem. My thing is, my dad a lawyer. I've been through this shit before. I know how this go.
Say that again.
My dad's a lawyer. I know how this shit go.
Okay.
I know the law, literally, back and forth.
Okay. So if you know the law back and forth, why do you think I can't detain you for having open alcohol? Because that's the whole reason why I stopped you.
You give me a ticket.
I have not given you a ticket.
No, you can give me a ticket.
You're right, I can.
Yeah. You can't detain.
You're detained right now, meaning you're not free to go.
Right, okay. So I'm not free to go.
No, you're not. All right, Josh, I see you got another bottle of alcohol there. Anything else you got on you shouldn't have?
I know, because I love it.
Okay, but you just said you're 18, so you're not legally allowed to have it.
And you're right. I'll throw this out too, same way.
Okay.
But with that, I can't, it's trash right here.
No, not right now.
I'll throw it though.
Not right now,
No, I would.
No, don't throw it, because if it breaks...
It's in the grass. Come on, man. You're not dumb.
Don't throw it out right
Come on, man. You're not dumb, man. I would throw it out so y'all can see.
No.
So y'all can't say.
Hold on. Do this.
No?
Do this. Open it and pour it out. Don't throw it out.
Well, so you can't say that I didn't, you know what I'm saying? No.
All right, man. Do you got anything else on you, right?
No.
No, it's all right. So just to make sure, I'm going to just pat you down.
No, I do not consent to no search.
Okay,
no.
Well, just to make sure I'm going to pat you down.
No, I do not consent to no search. I know my rights and all that.
Okay.
Do not pat me down.
Keep your hands up. I'm going to make sure you don't have anything else on you, all right?
Stop moving. Do not run. Do not stop. Do not consent to search. Stop.
92 seconds.
I do not consent to search. Stop. I do not consent to search. Stop reaching. I do not. I'm not. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Hands up here. Stop. I do not consent to search. Stop. I do not consent to search. Stop. I do not.
Quit moving your fucking hands.
Stop.
Quit moving your fucking hands. Whoever's coming, hurry up.
I do not consent to search. Hit him. Hit him. Oh, shit.
I'm going to take you. Put your hands behind your back now.
I do not consent to search.
Get his other hand.
Stop moving.
Do you want to get tased?
I do not.
Do you want to get tased?
I
Do you want to get tased?
Do you want
do not consent to search. I do not consent to search.
I think he's got to go.
I got something.
He's got to go.
No, I don't have a gun. No, I don't have a gun.
If you don't stop, I'm gonna fucking tell you.
I'm not reaching. Stop. Stop.
Dude, stop. Come on, dude. Chill.
Yep.
Stop. I got him.
Thank you. I got his right arm. I got his right arm.
Please stop.
Yeah, come on, man.
Okay, he's fine. He's fine. Are you good? Okay. You done? It's over. Okay.
I can't breathe. I got shot. Look under my shirt.
Okay, just sit up.
17 times. I can't. No.
Sit up.
I can't breathe, fool.
We'll get you an ambulance.
Is there another one running?
No.
Oh, there was. He had someone else.
Oh, he had a big chunky dude, shorts, black shorts, blue shirt. Hey, Wilson. Hispanic?
Yeah.
Male Hispanic.
I can't breathe. Please, look at my hand. Look how tight.
We have.
Just sit up then.
Yeah, sit up, dog. Come on.
You're sitting on your one arm. That's said you can't feel. Okay, sit like this.
Yeah.
Just don't move. Just stay like that. Stay like that.
Please, mother, I can't. Y'all don't. I got shot 17 times. Please, I'm asking y'all once again, please. Please, my hand.
An ambulance coming for you.
Hiding hostage officer towards the townhomes on 15th. Walmart.
Yeah, an ambulance coming for you.
Ambulance.
Yeah, ambulance is coming, my man.
Please, no, my hand. Do y'all not see? Please, do y'all not see how tight it is?
Well, man, you were fighting us. It took 5 of us to
I'm
get
not
behind
trying
you.
to. I've been having a seizure this whole time. I'm trying to tell y'all.
Is that what you call fighting us?
His name's Josh.
What's up, Josh?
He started seizing and then
I got shot.
and then came back and seizure.
Y'all not listening.
Josh. I'm listening. Josh. You got shot 17 times.
Okay, Josh.
Look, slip on my shirt, yo.
Listen, hey.
I can't breathe, bro.
Listen, Josh.
I can't breathe.
Josh. All right, man, let's get off the cot then. We're going to get you stood up. Let's get you set on the cot, okay? Get everything else checked out. Come on.
I got it.
You got it? You can stand up on your own. It's going to be a lot more comfortable that way, I promise you. Okay. We're going to get you all checked out. Bend your knees.
Yep, bend this knee.
Pull up more.
There you go.
Ready? You're ready to hand down. 2, 3.
Ooh,
Up. That's what I mean. Okay. The sooner we get back in the 8.
I'm trying.
That's easy.
There you go. Hit your head now.
Students are on the left-hand door receiving another call for that 1010.
Josh, ready?
Please
One.
connect
Stand
to
up.
your
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
We have not had any voice.
All right, man. Sit down.
No, this is Saints.
Oh, Saints. Okay.
Josh. Listen, man, those cuffs, those are only going to hurt you more the more you resist them. We're trying to make it so that way, if you're decent with everybody, you need me both of them? We can figure something else out, all right? Kept on trying to grab it.
Did you run the serial number on this too? No. Yeah. But it's scratched off.
Elijah clears, valid photo ID.
Is it?
Discharged out
Oh, yeah.
parole status
Oh, that's another.
and gang affiliated.
What is this? A fucking Springfield Hellcat. It's a Hellcat. I think so, right? Yeah, Springfield. 10-4. Then can you just make a note down to 32, the serial number scratched off? I believe it's a Springfield Hellcat.
Come on, Josh.
Relax, dude. My legs up.
You need to cooperate with us, alright?
I'm
We're just trying to get you the help that you need, alright, man? Just relax, dude. Alright, man?
Elijah clears, valid photo ID. Showing that discharged out of parole status.
No, we're coming to you, man. Let's go.
Someone else want to come with me? At least meet me at the hospital, so he's going to be a problem once we try to get there.
Those are my cups, so I can get them anyway. Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll be riding with the ambulance.
After being arrested and transported to the hospital for evaluation, Elijah remained in full police custody. While inside the hospital, investigators say he attempted to escape not once, but multiple times. First, running down a hallway and tackling a security guard, then later trying again while being escorted. Each attempt created new criminal exposure and legally justified tighter restraints, continuous supervision, and additional felony charges unrelated to the original stop.
Come on, get out of my shit, nigga. I ain't cooking, I ain't doing shit.
You going back in?
Left side hurt, I'm not on shit.
All right, just stay there.
Alright, that's cool. I'm not going.
Okay, just stop. You've already ran twice now, so obviously we don't trust you anymore.
That's good. Come on, bro. You doing that shit on purpose for my cuffs, bro.
5171, I'm on with 88.
What are you waiting on, Wilson?
What's up? Squad? Is he going?
Yeah, let's pick him up.
This is my 1101, so...
Okay, what are we doing?
At a squad, going back?
Pick him up.
Is he discharged? Is he discharged from the hospital?
Lift him up.
Oh, he's not discharged.
Oh,
He's not discharged, so he tried to run.
Okay.
Let's set him up.
Okay.
Come on, guys. You know what? Can we get a wheelchair? I'll stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Okay. All right. Here, let's double lock the cuffs.
Yeah, make sure he's double locked, not detained.
He ran down the street. You got another charge, buddy.
I ain't talking to you.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, now you're awake?
No, I'm talking to this bitch over here.
Taking that pass out? Speed up.
Hey, no.
You can roll in or we can...
Go in, nigga. Tell us that. Let my feet go. Go in, nigga. Let my feet go. I'll put him on there. Let him go, nigga. I'll go there, nigga. Let him go. Let it go.
Put him up.
Come on. You see how he... I just told him.
Put him up. Put him up.
All right, I'll put it up. Come on. Let my foot go, bro.
Put it down. Put it down.
He got it up, literally.
Put it down.
I'm trying to. He got it up. Let it go so I can put it down, nigga.
Relax.
Bro, let it go so I can put it up. Oh, bro, Barry, stop touching me.
What number?
15 right here.
Does he need any more treatment or is he good to go? Okay, not rushing. I just... If he's good to go, then get him out.
Take him out soon.
Yeah, we can do that.
You don't gotta.
I mean, I don't even
He just tried to run out of here. I don't see anything.
He ain't going to 15.
Let's lock it in this whole time.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
No, what the fuck? Hold on, touch me, bitch. And you tweaking, nigga. This is where I've been at, bitch. I'm going back in my bed, nigga.
Stay in the chair. Stay in the chair. Stay in the chair.
Don't touch me, nigga.
I'm gonna put cuffs on you, which means
I got cuffs on me, nigga. How many more cuffs you gonna do? I got cuffs on me, nigga.
I'm cuffing you to the chair.
Take this shit off. Bro, why the fuck you grab my... Boy, don't do that.
Do not do that. Do not swing on it.
Boy, smoke your shit. I'm in cuffs.
Don't do that.
Boy, I'm in cuffs. Have a swing.
Pull his leg out from under. Pull his leg out.
Boy, he got my neck.
Right there.
He got my neck. Let my neck. Let my neck go. Hey, boy. Let me go, boy. Let me go for the... Bro.
Hey, Ian,
Bro, let me go, boy.
can this get out of the way?
Bro. Let me go, bro.
No,
Bro.
you're gonna kick us. I'm not letting you go.
I'm not gonna kick you out. Ah, my bro.
Yeah. All right, let's... Carry him out.
Carrying them out? Okay.
Down here, man.
Hey, can you switch hands on spot?
Just relax, man.
No, he beat the fuck out of me twice. No, nigga.
Relax.
No. He beat me twice, boy. Let me go, boy.
You taking back now?
Someone go in.
This one's mine. Can I just put it right there?
Yeah. Who's in the front? This is
That's mine.
Here's the lock.
Yeah.
It's open. It's open.
It's up, yeah. Right here.
All right. Shut the door. Shut the fucking door. I'll get out of it.
At this stage of the encounter, the legal framework is a Terry investigative detention. Officers do not need probable cause to arrest to temporarily detain someone. They need reasonable suspicion that a violation has occurred. Open container possession in public, combined with an admission of underage drinking and an inability to produce identification, is sufficient under Illinois law to justify a brief detention to confirm identity and issue a citation or determine further action. Once the officer explicitly stated, "You are detained," and "You are not free to go," the encounter clearly crossed from a consensual contact into a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. As the detention continued, officers observed additional containers and sought to conduct a limited pat-down. A frisk is lawful during a Terry stop when officers can articulate reasonable suspicion that the person may be armed and dangerous. Investigators later stated that during this process, officers observed indications of a firearm on Elijah's person. The moment an officer has reason to believe a detained individual is armed, officer safety concerns legally justify a protective frisk. When Elijah physically resisted, attempted to flee, and ignored commands to keep his hands visible, the encounter escalated from detention to arrest. At that point, probable cause existed not only for the alcohol offenses, but also for resisting or obstructing a peace officer. During the struggle, officers recovered a loaded handgun, later described as a Springfield Hellcat with an altered or scratched serial number. The discovery of the firearm fundamentally changed the legal posture of the incident. Possession of a concealed or unlawful firearm, particularly with a defaced serial number, establishes independent felony probable cause. From that moment forward, officers were legally authorized to use reasonable force to effect the arrest, prevent flight, and secure the weapon. The law does not require officers to disengage once resistance begins. It allows escalating force proportional to the suspect's actions, especially where a firearm is involved. After Elijah was taken into custody, officers transported him to a hospital for medical evaluation, which is standard procedure following a use of force event or complaints of injury. Importantly, being in a hospital does not terminate custody. Elijah remained under arrest and under guard. When he requested to use the bathroom and then fled down a hospital hallway, tackling a security guard, that conduct constituted a new criminal offense and reinforced the legal justification for restraints and continuous supervision. A second attempted escape and additional resistance during escort further supported additional charges and continued custody. Throughout transport and booking, officers maintained authority to restrain Elijah due to repeated escape attempts, active resistance, and the earlier recovery of a firearm. Damage to a squad car and injuries to officers during these events are legally relevant because they support aggravated battery and criminal damage allegations. Ultimately, Elijah was charged with multiple counts including aggravated battery of a peace officer, unlawful possession and use of a weapon, and related offenses, and he was ordered held in the Lake County Jail pending further proceedings. From a constitutional perspective, this incident illustrates how a routine ordinance enforcement contact can lawfully escalate. Each transition point, consensual contact to detention, detention to arrest, arrest to force, and post-arrest restraint, was triggered by new facts observed in real time. The governing principle is not the severity of the original offense, but the suspect's actions during the encounter and the officer's corresponding legal authority to respond. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.